Okay, this for my 3D game project. This is basically all my asset creation is created in Blender because Blender is the one thing that I like to use for 3D modeling and creating environment assets. So let me see. This is the each asset is created by me, and here we enable the color, and this here is the I create a different kind of shape of the platform. This is platform where the player can run, jump. Player have to jump through to every platform to get to the certain platform. For this one, this is the main character, the player character. You can see it's like space suit. Where the gray one is like armor shield, like metal texturing, and the light glow can be adjusted. Yes, the color can be different kind. Uh, and next one is the chain. This one used to for the environment of the game, and this is the like kind of like altar, like a platform for player starting line and ending point. And this one is the uh, a wood lamp. For my design, it should have a fire particle here, and this one is the portal for player. Every time after player clear the level, player have to go through each the portal to progress to the next level. As you can see, this is the animation, quite short. Yes, this is the animation of the portal. And the next one is the it's like a total where just to fill up the environment. And this is the another version, but is where the I separate all three different kind. And this one is a skull, a skull. So also it also used to fill up the environment. It originally have only white color, and I use the blender texture paint mode to create the color to give some uh, like darker color here and there for the things. It's all hand painted, and also same also with the altar. Uh, it has the Phoenix logo. It has the Phoenix logo, but this is what we see without the lighting. The emission in the character is very low. How I create this asset? Basically, for the workflow, first I create the basic shape for each of the asset, and after that I focus on the detail, creating different kind of surface like this iron and glove, the face, and after that After that, a UV map for each of the surface. For this one, I just use a, a Blender Smart UV project. Uh, uh, I like to keep things simple. So after doing this, we can just uh, import it into the uh, Unreal Engine. Oh, and also for the animation, we fully use Misamo to create different kind of animation, running, jumping, yes, walking. That's all. I think that's all.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone.
And good night.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
So today we will talk. We will talk.
We are ni continue for our vlog for game project
So,
management.
yeah, so we will talk about our tools or website we will use for
Yes.
project management and for crowdfunding. So now
Okay.
our website, game website.
No, the
So
codec.
we go to first codec, which is our we choose for game management, which codecs. Why we choose codec because it easier our job to divide our task to our members, which and it we can manage the task and every member can see it at the website. So right now we see is our like a card that we divided to game design, programming, and music managing, and lastly for crowdfunding.
The deck is empty.
For manage for management we have here is where so Amzar want to add.
So basically, where why we because how we use the codecs because our team members can clearly see what the task we want to do, and for each week we have new progress, and uh, after team member completing each task we can update it inside the website.
That's the
So
code. Yeah.
so each member also can add for few more uh, uh, for more what completion that the team member have done, and can also add for the future improvement.
Future task. Yeah. So basically everyone can manage the task within the website. So every member can update it every time they done their task.
Okay, next
So,
website.
so we
Website.
go to our website, which is our studio is Leviathan Studio.
Yes.
So this our uh, some photo, some image for our latest
Yes, because
game development, which is Parkour Escape. This this is some of our background uh, profile.
the website also, we also use the website to to post some
So
of our progress,
just
some of the model or liver design that we made, so that anyone that want to
we
visit or know about our game can visit the website to know about what our
yeah
what our team journey of completing the game. Yes.
this website can be as our promoting as promotion promotion for our crowdfunding. Other than that, we have our Facebook.
Oh,
Everyone
Facebook.
can
Oh,
see. Yeah,
yes.
so it's our Facebook page, Leviathan Studio. Also, we update our uh, game progress development. So we include our level design, character design, asset design, and so all of that is inside our Facebook page and our own website. Next,
Okay.
anything to add?
I no
That
no.
so so we go to our
The last one.
the last page is our for crowdfunding. We use a funding, which I will see it as
As the Kickstarter.
to collect our as the Kickstarter to continue our project Parkour Escape. So this
Also we use funding because it has Malaysia ringgit currency.
yeah,
For
this, we
support.
just we
Please
just
support.
create
Please support us.
yeah,
Yes, yes.
we just create this website, so the funding not very high.
Yes.
So for those who were watching this video, please
uh,
consider funding our game.
uh, please
Yes,
consider
Yes.
to be our patron.
yes.
So come and join, come
Yes.
and support us.
We
So
we as a team, we we were very dedicated to this video game. We depend this game as our lifeline to our life.
yes, we contribute many times for this game.
Yes.
So
Many
please
sweat
support.
and time
Yeah.
burned out during this development.
So
Okay, I
Uh,
think that's all from us.
that's all. That's
Uh,
all.
yeah, please
yes.
please support us. Okay, bye. Please support us.
Okay, the first question is the process of developing your game. This vlogs is a record about my group game development for the final project. For now, as you can see, the level design, mechanic, scoring system, post menu UI, main menu UI have been created. This project is nearly finished and what's left is only credit scene and the sound effects for the character and props. The second question is how can you come out to such amount of budget for your game studio? The budget is come out based on the work that have to be done, such as the character modeling, props modeling from Blender, level designs in the Unreal Engine, and also for the sound effect, the paid sound effect from band sound for the license, and etc.
What kind of testing will we use and why? The testing type that we will use is play testing, because we were focusing on game content and game functionality. Play testing is form of user experience analysis, which non-functional defects can be found by checking feedback gathered via structured questionnaires and game logs. We also apply ad hoc testing, which we will do testing without follow a specific plan. With this, we can make fast detection and immediately solve the problem occur. How will we apply copyright, patents, and trademark for our game? For copyright, firstly, we must provide details about our own project and its creation date. Then, a deposit of the copyrighted work must be provided. Next, hire a lawyer for filing process. Lastly, double-check the ownership of the project developed to make sure that there are no issues. For patents, we have to create something new. For example, new layout of user interface and must be non-obvious, which means that no other user interface can be same or look alike as our user interface in order to have our own design patterns. And utility patterns, such as drawings which illustrate the feature of our project development, also can be applied. Lastly, for the trademark, we create our own brand logo in order to apply trademark, and the logo design must be not same as other that have their own trademark, because it can violate the process of claiming trademark.
The process of creating campaign for funding your game. The website used for funding our project development is Air Funding. Then, all information about the person asking for funding and what the funding is created for is also needed. Finally, an amount of how much fund raised is required to finish the creation of crowdfunding campaign for our project. The amount of funding can be changed later to suit the current situation. Finally, how do you work as a team? How do you think game project management is important for developing game studio? And what is the lesson that you get from the funding? The project management is important to make our team to be organized and for the member to be up to date with each other about our final project, so that we don't miss anything about the current running process. The lesson that we get from funding is that because it acts as a kickstarter for our project and to start making progress developing the game, it also provides us information on how the indie developers works can be done, which is sometimes by creating crowdfunding campaign to raise money for the development of a project.